Dual forms perfect shape, step by step. Prepare the natural nail plate. Select the appropriate size of dual forms for the nail plate, ensuring it is one size larger than the natural nail. Degrease using nail prep. Apply tape bond and wait approximately 30 seconds. Apply a small amount of master gel base, rub it into the nail plate with a gel brush and cure for 60 seconds. Apply an appropriate amount of master gel to the underside of the dual forms. Do not cure. Place the dual forms parallel to the nail plate, leaving a gap from the cuticles. Pre-cure the area around the cuticle with a 5-watt LED lamp for 10 seconds. Turn the hand over and smooth the gel from the underside of the dual forms. Then, cure in a UV LED lamp 36 watts for 60 seconds. Squeeze the dual forms from both sides and remove gently. Wipe with an alcohol-based liquid. Correct the shape of a nails-free edge. Refine the areas around the cuticles and the underside of a nail with a file or a nail drill. Buff the entire surface using a buffer and clean off the dust. Complete the desired nail design.